And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn another amazing thing in Excel, which I'm going to tell you now. So this is the data of January and sales data of February, sales data of March. So I need to get the details product wise, how much sales we have done, how much quantity we have done, how much profit we have done. So normal way, we need to add all the details in the tab and we'll summarize. So other way, I just need the data here, so I'll just select office supply sales plus 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 plus. Yes, so this is what normally we do. So about doing these things, it will take a lot of time. So in order to reduce that, we have an amazing function in this in Excel, so that we can use it. So just simply select this, go to data tab, go to consolidate and let it be sum. Select the data, which one you want to total it, then add it. Then again you select February month, add it. Then again add it for March month, add it. So now create used label in left column. So now you have this data, which is total office supplies, how much sales we have done, how much quantity you have done, how much profit you have done. Thank you. So this is how we can able to identify the information which is needed. So for more such videos, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.